Video conferencing fatigue is real and it hurts, and we're all getting some type of it if we're on video calls. You know when you've got it because you've got a migraine or a headache or your neck aches or you just feel exhausted. Now, there's things you can do as a person joining the call or the presenter, and these tweaks can make a real difference when you join a call. Firstly, remove any background filters. Nobody worries about seeing the mess behind you. Nobody cares if you've got washing hanging up because we can let our brains know what it is. If you've got a bookcase absolutely cluttered with books, we're going to be looking at that. So clear your space. Simplify the space around you so that we're not distracted. Put a light above your lens. The reason we put a light above the lens is we want to be seen. We want to see you. But more importantly, the light glaring at you from your screens or your screen needs to be balanced. Where possible, use natural light because that's your floodlight. You could invest in 3-point lighting, but you don't have to. Just using natural light can make a huge difference with the light above your lens. Invest in good audio equipment. There's nothing worse than sitting there all day wearing earbuds or a headset. What you can do is use a conference speaker system, which will give you the freedom and you don't feel like you're connected to wires. And it's not a faff to get up and go to the toilet. Do put your screen on. Do show the person that you are listening and do look engaged. Don't get distracted doing other work. If you do need to get and do other work, make sure your camera is off and your audio is on mute. There is nothing worse than tip tap going on in the background. If there is noise outside what is happening in your environment, tell the people on the call because not knowing is distracting. So that's just a few simple tips that you can do today to alleviate video conferencing fatigue.